quiet out here. Not a soul. A little drop right there. Now I'm finally warming up. Might be time to ditch the windbreaker. Follow you. Do a little Tim follow cam. It's hard when you can't see the line until you get there, right? I was looking for a Karen or something, but there's no Karens or Kerns or whatever the hell you call those things. I'll give you a little space, but I'll be pretty close behind you. Yeah, buddy. I can't believe I forgot to record the top part though. Yeah, this takes us to that other line. Oh yeah, there's plenty of spots here. Too bad the GoPro makes everything look not steep. Have you ever seen the front fork mount? When they mount it right above the tire on the front thing? So it's kind of bumpy, but like when it comes to steep stuff, it gives you like a serious, like you can actually tell how steep it is. But for overall stableness, it's not the best, for sure.
Drops over here, isn't it? Oh no. Somewhere over here there's a drop, isn't there?
I think like Mega Zen to Motorcycle Mayhem, that'll be the test.
Yeah.
It'll be a matter of if you can do barrel after it or not. It's right here, I think. Isn't it? You want the drop. Oh, maybe not. I thought there was a drop here somewhere.
No, the footer line is
How are you guys? Good. I don't even know what the higher line is.
It's just a more like straight shot chunky line.
Oh, no, that's fine. Unless it has a drop or something really cool on it.
No, I mean it's a fun line, but it's not.
I was looking for that drop. I thought there was a drop somewhere right there. We'll have plenty of stuff to test our skills on.
Yeah.
was definitely a huck to flat.
Yeah, it is.
I was not expecting it to be so harsh. He made it look a little more graceful. But he's also not on a big freaking honking e-bike. Huck to flats are like the worst ever on an e-bike. Yeah, I was just gonna say, I'm like, aren't we supposed to be going? But I think the turn's up here, isn't it? Because the trail's down there. See that trail to the left? That's where we need to tie into.